Back with another video, and today we will be checking out Printful's embroidered socks. So I'm super excited because socks is something that I love. I love different color socks, I love different print socks, but I always felt like the sublimation socks were like not my cup of tea, not my cup of tea. So I'm super excited about the embroidered socks. Not sure how long they've had them. I have kind of been out the loop when it comes to reviewing new items. But the holiday season is here, and I am here to help you guys find new products to add to your store. So we're going to check out the embroidered socks. I have my design ready. We're going to go over the specs. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so we can get to 11,000. Again, thank you guys so much for rocking with me, and let's get into this video. All right. So on Printful's website, I don't think it had the new tag anymore. So I am not sure how long this has been here, but if you need help getting to it, it's under accessories, footwear, and then socks. These are embroidered crew socks by Soko. I'm not sure if I'm familiar with the brand, but here we have file guidelines of where they can embroider. So 3D puff is not available, and they have that size, that small text area there. It gives you more information about how to design your graphics, how to do the templates, how to go through digitization, tips for best results, and embroidery disclaimers. So there are a 6 thread color limit. It does look like they have a few different colors that I have not seen in the past, so I'm excited about that. All right, and then we have a few reviews with pictures. Okay, so great quality socks, embroidery. Here's a picture here. Soft, comfortable, long lasting. From the first time these socks were put on, they've been my favorite crew socks ever since. I have a small feet, but these had a little room in the front. But again, I have a small feet. Everything has a little room. Okay, I like it. All right, so the price, as you can see, is $22.45. At this point, I don't think there probably was any way to make this cheaper. So I am going to stick with that. I am going to look at the size guide to see. So for small, medium, US woman shoe size 7 to 10, and then 10 to 13. Not even going to check out the men's right now because I'm a woman and I fit in the small to medium category. 7 to 10 days when it comes to shipping from the US. Shipping starts at $3.99. They have black, heather gray, and white. I don't know what color I'm going to get, but I'm super excited to try this out. So I am going to go ahead and hit add to store. And I'm just going to add it to my regular Printful store. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get my design. All right, so my design is uploading. Um, and I gotta find the section. So the section is really small. So what I need to just make sure that this would be able to print nicely. So it just says paid in piece. So if I do that in black, it says you can put something. We'll embroider your design on both socks. For example, if you add a design to the outside placement, we'll embroider it on both the left and right socks. So you can also embroider on the inside. So I do. So I do have another design, but I really just wanted to see what the price is for adding that. All right, so looks like 25.40. For the inside is 2.95. Outside is included, and that means both. All right. Color details, I'm gonna use black. If you need to transform anything, position. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and proceed to the mockups. Um, you can choose the different sizes, colors, and things like that for adding to your store. So here are the mockups. They have flat mockups. Okay, where are the pictures? All right, so I saw how the initial design looked and I did not like it. So I wanted to see um, what this one would look like if it would show me. See if it was too thick. So to see if the words were good or not. And this is something that I probably need to do bold words for. So you definitely just got to be careful. So we'll see what the mock-ups look like.